So I think for me the feedback is the forum has been very informative regarding on solo journalism and what's the difference between solo journalism and citizen journalism. So from this class I got to know a lot about what are the challenges solo journalists may face compared to being in a big media and established media lah. I think now I have no idea on what I'll be doing in the future. Let's say if I do take on this journalism course in the future lah.
Okay, bagi saya program ni amat-amat baiklah untuk student. Kalau dalam kelas tu just belajar je, tapi kat sini kita dengar sendiri daripada panel-panel daripada luar, dia bagi detail lagi, and after habis kita punya program tu ada lagi demo yang diorang tunjukkan. So bagi saya program ni amat baiklah untuk semua student.